Hello! Today we're diving into the AI Media Studio and exploring how it can be used to create AI-generated photos from scratch, or enhance your existing captured photos. This approach can save you significant costs on reshooting and photo editing. Let's kick things off by exploring the enhancement feature for your current photos. Start by selecting a photo you've taken, perhaps with your phone. You'll be able to enhance these photos using this feature. Let's go ahead and choose the photo we want to enhance. Let's wait now. Great! Our photo is uploaded! Now let's pick a style to apply. How about we choose a style that focuses on macro details? Next up, we can choose the angle for our photo. Maybe a 90-degree angle, a 45-degree angle, or a horizontal shot. We can also decide on additional elements like adding drops, steam, or extra garnish. Once you're happy with the setup, go ahead and hit the Generate button to create your enhanced photo. And there we have it! You can now view the photo generated by the AI system. Feel free to compare the before and after versions. See the transformation from the original to the enhanced photo. Let's try creating a new photo from scratch now by selecting the Create option. Start by entering the name of the item. For instance, let's say it's a dish with cream. Select the category, like dessert, and decide on the camera angle, the aspect ratio, and any additional instructions you might have. Now, let's generate the image. And voila! Here is our AI-generated pumpkin pie photo. You can download this photo, or if you're looking to try something different, click on the Regenerate button to create a new version. Thank you, and don't forget to check our other videos for more useful tips.